Let's try Filipino-inspired products from Superstore. First one, calamansi juice. Lasa ng calamansi. Tastes like calamansi. It has a weird aftertaste, but it's very close to calamansi. Next one, Filipino adobo chips. Yeah. Smells like all dressed Ruffles. I don't think it tastes like adobo, but you can taste the vinegar. So it's more of like, ano yung tawag dun? Yung vinegar and salt na chips. Pero masarap na combination yung calamansi juice and the adobo chips. Next, we have mango and calamansi citrus prawns. Sabi grill. Pero ipiprito ko na lang siya.
Oo nga, calamansi.
And, yeah. And lumpia. Okay. So, very long lumpia. Pero payat. So, this one, it comes in a skewer na. So, you will get 2, 4, 6. And then, it has 5 shrimp on each stick. Okay. So, it's ready. Lumpia and then shrimp. I air fried the lumpia for 7 minutes. Tapos, pan fry the shrimp. Mainit. It says here, chicken adobo pala. Yung lumpia. But it has like a lot of vegetables. Meron siyang parang celery na taste. Which we don't put celery in our adobo. So, next, the shrimp. That's good. Yes, I like that. So, let's rate them. Calamansi juice, 8 out of 10. Adobo chips, 6 out of 10. Lumpia, 3 out of 10. 7 out of 10.